Hello, Cherry Crafters! Happy National Scrapbooking Day, and today's Hops theme is flowers. I love these flowers so much from the Say Cheese Happiest Place line. And another thing that I really love are rhinestones. I'm using these sparklets from Buttons Galore and More. This rhinestone flipper is really convenient for helping flip the rhinestones over. I love shimmer and shine, and I thought this would be the perfect addition to kind of elevate these paper flowers. So I'm just using adhesive. This is a multi-grip from Beacon. There's also like a 3-in-1 and gem tack in the shop that would work great for this project. And I am not putting a super thick layer, but I put enough to cover the entire center. It's going to dry completely clear. I don't really have a specific method for putting on the rhinestones. I kind of just start in the center and work my way out. This particular set doesn't have a lot of like smaller stones, so I'm just filling it as best as I can. And I put the rhinestones on a few different ways so that you guys can see kind of the difference if you did it a specific way. So with this one, I did all of the same size all around the circle and then just one center large stone, and here's what that looks like. So for this one, I didn't have this teal color stone, so I'm using clear, and it's like an AB clear rhinestone. So this kind of just picks up the color a little tiny bit, but sometimes when I don't have an exact color to match, I just use clear. I love the frame on this paper, so I'm going to cut it out and I'm just going to cover the design, but I also want to add another backing to that, so I'm going to be using this teal star paper. And then once I have that cut out, I decided that I wanted a white backing, so this pink polka dot paper has a border, and then I'm just going to stitch the edge of that. Now I'm going to be working on the title, which I wanted to say, this is my happy place. And I'm going to pop up the happy and then also pop up the little arrow and then just put place right here. Next is the fun part, which is adding all of the fun flowers. I kind of wanted to hide a little flower behind the star background here, so I'm gonna have that peekaboo, and then I want to use one of the ones with the rhinestones front and center over there, and I'm adding a little cluster there as well. And then for the bottom part, one of the flowers already has kind of like a corner shape, so I'm gonna put that in the corner and then kind of just fix and position all of the ones with the rhinestones. I'm gonna be popping them up. I feel like with a layout with flowers, you can't go wrong because flowers always makes everything so cute. Anyways, okay, once it's all popped up, I'm going to be adding some of these sticker brads to the center of the flowers and then also just sticking them all around. I also added a couple tiny small foam flowers, and then I decided that the center of the little flowers needed rhinestones too, so I'm just adding those. Some final touches is more rhinestones, just a few little pink rhinestones. I love rhinestones, can you tell? And this is a photo of me from my first trip to Disneyland. I don't know why I haven't scrapbooked it yet. I guess I've been waiting for the perfect layout, and this is it. Thank you so much for stopping by today. I hope that you are scrapbooking for National Scrapbook Day, and I hope that this layout inspires you. I hope that you hop along. There's lots of giveaways happening today. Also, make sure that you check out our Instagrams. My Instagram is ivypinkmade because I also have another giveaway package happening there from A Cherry on Top. See you guys next craft.